Step inside and see how a simple BTO 4-room has been transformed into a modern minimalist heaven, where warm wood, taupe, and cream white create a timeless, cozy retreat. In the living area, the bomb shelter is cleverly hidden from sight to keep the space clean and uncluttered. For the homeowner's passion for Lego, we designed a custom display that proudly turns the collections into a centerpiece. The open concept kitchen keeps the space light and inviting, with an island counter designed mainly to house appliances while still providing extra cooking space. In the master bedroom, a streamlined bedhead keeps things calm and restful, while the master toilet features a sleek vanity areas for daily routines. It's a home that blends style with meaning, designed to feel just right every single day.